Missed out on the Kobe Prelude pack a couple years back, but these are due.
I invited y'all here tonight for a simple message. Listen close and pass it on. There's something amazing in all of you.
YouTube, it's your guy Hitch. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed your Mamba Day back on April 13th. It was also my beautiful mom's birthday last Friday, and I'm pissed. I was hoping I was going to have this video out last Friday, but I didn't. And listen, better late than never, right? So outside of that, you see what I'm wearing. You see the royal blue, the red and white. Go Sixers. We did lose last night to the Raptors, so it's tied 1-1. But I hope you're also enjoying the playoffs. Keep LeBron out of Philly. I don't want to hear any talks about him coming to Philly in the offseason. We're good. We're going to try to get to this Eastern Conference Finals. We're going to try to get to the finals this year, and we don't need him. I respect the greatness of LeBron James, but I do not want him on my team. That being said, it is all about Kobe, Mamba mentality, and how he's impacted the NBA and the game of basketball. Sidebar, that detailed stuff that he has going on ESPN, that's phenomenal. So, last Friday, big day. 3 sneakers came out. I wanted all 3 of them. PG2 Mamba mentality, Kobe NXT 360, Kobe Protro 1 Mamba Day. Now, I wasn't sold on the 360s, but after I saw them in person at the stores, I had to get them. So, story time. I walked into the store like an idiot. This was my first time trying to buy a pair of sneakers in the store on a release day, and God knows how long. And it didn't dawn on me that they opened the store early on the release of a big shoe. So I pulled up at 9:40, thinking that I'm early because nobody else was there. And I walked in and I said, let me get all 3. They said no. The 360s are sold out, except we have a 10.5 left. I said, give me those. PG2s didn't sell out. Let me get those. Protros, all gone. We opened at 7:30, so you're screwed. So this is all before 10 o'clock. Luckily, I was able to get onto the sneakers app, and I was able to get my 360s. So that video might be coming soon. As far as the Mamba days, SOL. And the resale value is above $250. Missing me with that. Then to make it worse, the closeouts came on Saturday, and I was in the gym. I completely forgot 5 minutes before the release to get my phone and buy them. Screwed again. But the resale's not bad on those. If you guys are looking for closeouts, check out StockX. So, what I have here, PG2 Mamba mentalities. If you are a Kobe fan or just a sneakerhead, you know back in 2013, they did the first ever retro of the Nike Kobe line. And these are drawing inspiration from the 6s out of that pack. So, you know I love PG. Playoff P is activated. We are not going to cover the box or do a deep dive into the review of these, just because if you look at the top right, you can go and watch the PG2 PlayStation review that gives you all the details of the shoe. I'm just going to cover what makes this particular shoe different. And the first thing you're going to notice, outside of the completely purple upper and purple midsole, your swoosh matches the color of the mesh, which I like. And then that toe, I believe this is synthetic leather. Nice touch, keeping the toe box sturdy, being that you have the mesh. As you go up through the shoe, you have turquoise or teal laces. And then you have a green tongue. And then all the logos on the shoe will have that Volt yellow greenish color. And then you have an orange sock liner for your booty. Swoosh looks good. Swoosh looks good. And as I said before, this is drawing inspiration from the Kobe 6s from the Prelude pack. So you got a bunch of different animals on your heel. and it's mimicked on the other shoe as well. The swoosh feels real good, the way that they have it layered here. Now the material on the heel, I'm not sure what kind of material this is. It feels like a textile material, but it feels pretty durable, which is good. Now, on the insoles, you have your PG logo on the left and the number 13 on the right. And then the back of both tongues has Playoff P's signature. What sets the shoe off is going to be that icy translucent bottom. Now, a majority of his releases have translucent bottoms. I love translucent icy bottoms, but I'd be lying if I told you it's not hell keeping these Jones clean. Then you have your Volt Zoom bag and then the teal PG logo again. But that's pretty much it, man. You want full details, go watch the PlayStation 2 video. But this is your Mamba Mentality PG2.
But most of you too scared to make it happen. Less talking, more action. Chase your passion as if you'd rather die than not achieve it. Fuck a red light. Go take what's yours. Bread means gold. Okay, I don't do that killer talk. Connected to some niggas with that drama chalk. Ain't a killer, but don't push me, hell no, not today. Over my compadres and family, I swear I'm down for anything. Can't stop. Same thing in the fuck you, same thing in the peace out. Can't stop. Tell her I don't wanna own it, I just wanna get my lease on. Can't stop. Fast lane past zombies, cut them up like me, Sean. Can't stop. Snow, we and ice, stiff arm to the end zone. I pledge allegiance to hustlers, going hard through the struggle. I'm a dog from the bottom, got no leash or no muzzle. The missing piece to the puzzle, I transcend from the rubble. Took my lumps in the jungle, no fear you die if you humble. Can't stop. All time I like a Nissan, getting brain that's a 10 man. Can't stop. Hit a clone with the peace sign, vroom vroom hit the kickstand. Can't stop. Your team full of has-beens, no hope like a Knicks fan. Can't stop. No verses yapping, too bad I ain't listening. I'm on a mission, can't stop, won't stop, cause it's not in my design. Road to the riches, disobeying street sign. Like, fuck a red light, till I got my bread right. Fuck a red light, till I got my bread right. Can't stop, won't stop, cause it's not in my design. Road to the riches, disobeying street sign. Like, fuck a red light, till I got my bread right. Fuck a red light, till I got my bread right. Can't stop. All time I like a Nissan, getting brain that's a 10 man. Can't stop. Hit a clone with the peace sign, vroom vroom with the kickstand. Can't stop. Your team full of has-beens, no hope like a Knicks fan. Can't stop. No verses yapping, too bad I ain't listening. Can't stop. All time I like a Nissan, getting brain that's a 10 man. Can't stop. Hit a clone with the peace sign, vroom vroom with the kickstand. Can't stop. Your team full of has-beens, no hope like a Knicks fan. Can't stop. No verses yapping, too bad I ain't listening.